Hi everyone, hello to all our new subscribers, it's lovely to have you here. I've got an order in today that I've already unpacked, put on the website, restocked. There's new items and restocked items, and I thought it's easier for me to direct everyone over to the YouTube video to have a look, like from Facebook and things. So this is what I'm going to do from now on. So first up we have oval 18 to 25 mm cabochon rings, and I'll just show you. Obviously you'll glue these in, what they will look like. Really nice. I'll put the actual photo with all of these so you can see better. But these are 18 by 25 millimeters. Then we've got the wire necklaces. We've already got the greys. We've restocked black and rainbow colours. I'm just going to show you, because I have had some people say, how do you open them? And it's just unscrew. Pop your charms or your beads and screw back together. Just a way to show. You might think, oh, that's obvious, but that's some questions that I've had when I got those. We actually have the corded necklaces. I think these are 18 to 20 inch. Lots of colours. And blue. I do some extra long in black. I think they go up to 60 centimetres. And rainbow. If you didn't hear that, and rainbow colours on the website. I'll put those up there. These are actually the long ones. You see, really long. I don't think I've got my ruler to. Oh, I have. 24 inches up to, yes, 24 to 26. So 24 inches, 26 with the extension chain. That's those. What else do we have? These are 12mm resin glitter cabochons. I was thinking Christmas they would be popular, so what I did was I also got it's like a pink and gold, but it just reminded me of Christmas. I know you normally have red and gold, but I just thought, wow, be different. Boring to be the same. So that's those. again 12mm, mixed colours. Those are resin. They will fit to 12mm setting. I'm trying to get all the cabochons out of the way. This is a new colour. Turn these over. These will really catch the light. See. So that's a new colour. And I've restocked you run out of the green. And the red. These are orange, cat's eye type. You get buttons very similar. I was thinking Halloween. Make some Halloween jewellery or other crafts. Ooh, they've gone everywhere. French lever earrings, 12mm, scalloped edge, and these open then close. Other colours are available on the website. Because if you look under French lever, they'll come up. These I got more of, and I've got them in a new colour, black, for a setting. That was nice. So that's new. And if you just look up rectangle, I hardly have anything rectangle on the website, you'll find them. Hope you're all having a good day. It's now night time here. Oh. Bird's nest pendants with pearls. What's the backs? They've got detail on the side. And these are glued in. So again, just search for bird nest and they will come up. We have flower pendants, resin. These are Korean flowers. That's just what they were called. Must be the style. And they're all the same colour, it's just that the bell has been put in different places. And the blue at the back. Those are new. These are also new. These are available in the colour that you want. You don't have to have mixed. Obviously low stocks of these until I see how they sell. My favourite is white, just reminds me of the daisies. Very chunky as well. And then we have very tiny. These are 2mm and they're 18 karat gold plated. I have, these are copper based, and I also have the stainless steel base, which will be, you can't hardly see, but those are available in packs of 20, so you don't have to buy a huge amount if you want those, which is great for when you're just starting out. And we have crimp end covers. And these are also available in packs of 20. So you don't have to buy like packs of 100 if you don't want to. 5mm, so they should cover a 3.5mm, possibly 4. And we also have those in gold as well, again in packs of 20. I believe these are 6mm as well, crimp end covers. And the dandelion wishes, we have a new size. 18 by 25, and actually, let's just see what one looks like. Let's use this one. There. They go with those. Very nice. So again, those are limited quantities until I know, but the dandelion wishes are very popular. I just have to see what people think of this size. So that's what I've put on the website today, and on Etsy. You'll also find me on Etsy, but it is cheaper on the website because I have to add the Etsy fees onto the prices on Etsy. Okay. So enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.